Oh, so you want to practice that word? Putang ina po.
Uy, kanina nyo, ibig nyo sabihin yun, tinatagalog nyo? Ay, Englishin nyo?
Tinatagalog niya.
Ah,
Nirite niya kasi. Mga Tagalog.
oh, sino na naman sinachat mo?
Kachat.
Pinapa-English nyo sa inyo?
Magsasabi, magsasabi siya ng English, tapos tatagalogin natin. I-write niya naman ngayon. Parang paano yung putang ina mo. Ni-write na. Malibo. Wait, ang gusto malibo.
That's what you want?
No,
No, but I know it must be something. Your expression.
Horny, naughty, naughty, horny.
Naughty horny.
Yung ganun.
No. Malibo. Malibo. In English?
Horny, horny.
Horny.
Honey? Give me that one.
Naughty horny.
I don't want good afternoon again. Give me that one.
Ayaw na niya. I like that. I like that one.
Yeah, you wish. Good afternoon.
Malibo.
Instead good afternoon. I like that one.
Like Malibu.
Oh, then.
Oh, thank you.
Horny.
But you have to say I. When you just say Malibu, what's that? That just means honey. So what if I need to say I am honey? So what if I am?
Yeah, you can use that.
We go to... Then I malibog ako. Sige na. Ayoko. I don't like. Ayoko. I don't like. Ayoko.
What's that? I don't like you.
I don't like to.
May star.
Sir.
You also better than that. I don't know. But if it sounds good, then go. Create it.
Okay, okay.
Three! Tadadadun! Ano nga yan? Sarap na nga eh. Wala.
Yes.
Takbo kay Arjen! Ano ba naman yan? Idol na lang siya.
Nakikita ka sa camera, ganyan ginagawa mo.
Tama!
Ayusin mo, Manong.
Lazy man!
Ayusin mo, Manong.
Tinaman ako na extra eh.
Nakita yung kuya.
Nakita sa ano yun?
Meron kang baon.
Okay, okay. Pinalo ko sana.
You have butter in your hand.
Ayuhonik pare.
Jason.
Ayuhonik.